In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Cron Expression Trigger in N8N. N8N is a powerful tool that allows you to automate workflows, and one of its neat features is the ability to schedule these workflows using a precise or custom schedule. This is where the Cron expression comes into play. It enables you to define almost any repeating time pattern of your choice. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. To begin setting up your scheduled workflow, you first need to add a schedule node. Start by opening your N8N workflow editor. Once you're in, you'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click that to add your first node. You'll want to search for Schedule in the options, and then select the Schedule Trigger node. It's this node that will allow us to set a custom schedule using a Cron expression. With the Schedule node added, the next step is to configure its mode. In the configuration panel of the Schedule node, you'll find an option labeled Mode. By default, this is usually set to a more general time pattern like every XX. However, since we're aiming for precision, we're going to switch this mode to Cron. Changing the mode will unlock the flexibility and precision of Cron scheduling, allowing you to define a schedule that best suits your needs. Now, you'll see a field labeled Cron Expression. This is where the magic happens. A Cron expression consists of 5 parts representing different time elements: minutes, hours, day of the month, and day of the week. Enter your desired Cron string here. If you aren't familiar with Cron syntax, a bit of research or a handy Cron generator can always simplify things. This string precisely dictates when your workflow will be triggered, so make sure it's set according to your specific requirements. Before you set everything into motion, it's wise to perform a test. You can use the Execute Workflow button available right there to manually test if the subsequent nodes in your workflow function correctly. This step ensures your workflow is working as expected, and it's much easier to address any issues now before turning everything live. When you're satisfied that your workflow is operating smoothly, it's time to make it official. You'll notice an active switch located in the top right corner of your screen. Toggle this switch to on, and just like that, your Cron-scheduled N8N workflow is now live and set to operate according to your custom schedule. Remember, for a deeper dive in resources, the download link for N8N or any related documentation can be found at the top of the video description. Thank you for watching, and happy automating with N8N.